Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the 3 essential websites for designers. As a designer, it can be overwhelming to keep up with the latest design trends, create stunning graphics, and find the right assets for your projects. Thankfully, there are websites out there that can make the process a whole lot easier. In this video, we'll be discussing 3 of the most essential websites for designers. For better deals and discounts, use the links in the description below. Number 1. Canva. The first website we'll be discussing is Canva. Canva is a powerful online design tool that allows you to create a variety of graphics, from social media posts to presentations and even logos. One of the best things about Canva is that it offers a range of templates and design elements that are completely customizable, allowing you to create professional-looking designs in just a few clicks. Canva also has a user-friendly interface, making it easy to use for designers of all levels. Canva is free, but Pro version has a lot more features. Canva Pro is the premium version of Canva, a web-based graphic design platform. It provides additional features and functionality beyond the free version, making it a popular choice for businesses, marketers, and designers. Some of the features offered by Canva Pro include unlimited storage. Canva Pro users can upload an unlimited number of photos, images, and designs to their account. Team collaboration. Canva Pro allows teams to collaborate on designs in real time, with the ability to assign roles and permissions. Brand kits. Users can create brand kits that include custom fonts, logos, and color palettes for consistent branding across all marketing materials. Magic Resize. Canva Pro's Magic Resize feature lets users quickly resize designs to fit various social media platforms and marketing materials. Transparent backgrounds. Canva Pro users can create designs with transparent backgrounds, making it easy to integrate with other marketing materials. Access to more templates, images, and fonts. Canva Pro provides users with access to a more extensive library of templates, images, and fonts to create professional-looking designs. In summary, Canva Pro offers advanced features and functionality beyond the free version, making it an excellent choice for businesses, teams, and professionals who need more design capabilities. Number 2. Envato Elements. Envato Elements is a subscription-based website that offers a massive collection of design assets, including graphics, templates, fonts, and even video and audio assets. With over 2 million assets available, Envato Elements is a go-to for designers who need a wide range of resources for their projects. The platform is updated regularly with new assets, so you'll never run out of options. With a subscription to Envato Elements, you get unlimited access to all the assets on the platform, making it a cost-effective choice for designers who need access to a lot of design resources. Number 3. Placeit. Placeit is a design tool that allows you to create professional-looking mockups and designs in just a few clicks. With Placeit, you can easily create mockups of everything from t-shirts to phone cases, making it an ideal choice for designers who need to showcase their designs in a realistic way. Placeit also offers a range of design templates, making it easy to create social media graphics, logos, and more. The platform is incredibly easy to use and doesn't require any design skills. All you need to do is select a template or mockup, upload your design, and Placeit will do the rest. For better deals and discounts, use the links in the description below.